video, I'm going to discuss about a famous plugin called TDO for live chats and chatbots for a WordPress website. So here I'm going to discuss about from scratch, like how to create an account and how to work on this plugin to create a beautiful chat for a WordPress. So now let's get started. Have you ever noticed in the websites, after visiting to some websites, the bottom right side, you might have noticed suddenly a pop-up will appear and it will ask it will ask you to start conversation. Yeah,
Yeah,
notice?
ma'am.
Right,
Yes, ma'am.
bottom right side, right?
Yes.
So those are called chatbots, guys. Okay. That bots will be in two types. One is live chats and one is automated bots. Okay, like a machine, artificial machine, artificial, no manual power is required. Automatically, the machine itself it does everything. Okay. Whereas live chat is like it's done by a person at the back end. A person will be giving the replies for all of your questions. Whereas if it is a chatbot, a machine will give the answers for your question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm going to discuss about a combination plugin where you can do both a chatbots as well as a live chat. Okay. So let's get started. Started. Okay. See now, plenty of a chatbots here.
Yes, ma'am.
So any chatbot you can use it and start working on it. So now especially I'm going to use a plugin called TDO. It really gives you plenty of options. I really like that plugin. So can you see? TDO live chat and chatbot. This is a combination, both manual and machine. Okay. So a person
Yes.
can also give a replace or else a machine also can do that. So
Yes.
now let me install it and activate. Right. So once you installed any plugin, guys, that plugin gets started appearing in the left hand side. Okay, they'll start appearing in the left hand side. Earlier it was WP forms, now TDO chat, right? So click this TDO chat now.
Uh-huh.
Start using TDO. Email address. So it is asking us the email address. Before we start using this TDO, so we should have an account with a TDO. Okay, we should have already created a account in TDO. As of now, we don't have any account. Now let's go and create a one new account in TDO. Okay, so open your browser and search for TDO. Oh, this one, TDO. So go to app, click this, go to app. Okay, so now create a free account, guys. You can use your mail. Okay, you can also use your Facebook. That is fine. So let me create a using mail. So for which website you are connecting this account, that website address you have to give over here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So what is the website here? This one, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So take that website URL and enter. Okay. And agree, create free account. Right. So now here we need to configure the live chat. So give a name for your chatbot. So you can give any name. So let's go with Leroy. Okay. And choose the color scheme and avatar also. So you can choose the color. Here it is gradient colors. We have, can you see? This is how chatbot appears.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever noticed such type of chatbots in the site?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, many.
So tell me which color you like.
Any
Black.
color. Go for
Mm,
green, he suggests. It's bright.
green.
Yeah, perfect.
Yes. All right. So you can also choose avatar. You can, upload your photo as well. Okay, it's up to you. And choose the language, English. Okay. And then continue. And here comes website address. What's your company size? Choose how many operators will work on this project. We'll go with so country, India. That is India. Okay. So choose your industry. What is the subject of your website? Are you providing services? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
What would you like to do with this plugin? So we would like to automate a conversions. We would like to chat, generate leads, of course. So let's just continue. So here it is a preview of your chatbot, guys. Okay. So first, these are three variations you have for, whenever people opens your site, this is like the first message they will get. Hello, would you like to take a closer look at our offer? Or this one, would you like us to call you? Or just greet them warmly. So hi there, if you need any assistance, I'm always here. So this would be better, right?
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
want, you can also change the message. You can customize it. Okay, you can start editing it. So it's fine with me. So I'll save this and
Yes.
continue. So now continue it. Chalo. Feel the value. So here first we need to install TDO widget on your page. In order to continue with the TDO, we have to connect our TDO to the website. Okay. I mean, we
Okay.
have to install a plugin. So we have already installed the plugin, right? What we need
Yes.
to do? We need to connect it. Okay. So what is the website URL? Sorry, website email address we use? Layer.
Gerard Martin. MARTIN @gmail.com.
Right. And let's go. And password. Go to TDO pack. So now it will take us to a dash. Okay. See now? So now we
Yes.
have successfully connected our chatbot with a website. Okay. We have success.
Yes.
So now let us create a chatbot. I mean, let us set up the chatbot. Okay. So click this chatbots option here, left hand side. So here it is our new chatbot. If you want, you can add it from scratch. So let's edit this one. Okay. So first thing is that send chat message. So this is what, hi there, if you need any assistance, I'm always there. Okay. So this is the first message they will get. If you want, you can edit that. Okay. That's fine. So what else we can ask? If you want to ask any questions, you just need to click this actions and ask them anything that you want. Okay, so I would like to go with the decisions. So like, let me give the multiple choice for them. Okay, so I'm going to choose this action and let me edit this. So here I would like to ask something like, what are you looking for? So here I can give options for them to choose. So let's say I'm providing two trainings over here. One is digital marketing, and one more thing is, what do you say? Data science. Okay. So that people can choose any of these, options. Got it? So like this, you can ask a multiple choice. Fine. Now, after choosing the action, you have to connect it. Okay, after which action you want to show this action. So after this, I have to show this, right? So for that, I just need to click this dot and connect it. Okay, so that these two got connected now. So you can drag it. Fine. So the next, what else we can ask? So now here I have a two options, right? One is digital marketing, one is data science. So I have a two different concepts over here. When someone click on digital marketing, I want to show some information. And when someone click on data science, I would like to show some other information. Okay. So this time I would like to show few more things like I would like to ask few more multiple choice only. Let me take this action and put it here. And here, when someone click digital marketing, I would like to show this. What specialization you need? So here I can add SEO and SMO. Okay. So now when someone click this digital marketing, I would like to show this. What specialization do you need? SEO or SMO? Okay. So for that, again, do I need to connect these two actions or not? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And now what you have to connect, as we have a two different options. Now I would take this left hand side dot and connect this to this. Okay. And now here you have to choose for which action you would like to show this for digital marketing action. Okay.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And next, after choosing any of these, then again, I would like to show something called, okay, finally, let me ask them a question. Okay. Like, please provide us your contact number. Like, if you want to ask any question, click that. So, all right, please provide your contact number. Will contact you shortly. Okay. Is this fine? So here again, I need to give the validation, guys. So as I'm asking the phone number, right? People has to exactly mention the phone number. So for that, I have to choose this number. Okay. So if they enter, I mean, if they enter some sentence or words, so I won't take it. I'll show the error message. Oops, it doesn't looks like a number, right? So this is my question. So when I'm asking this question, when someone click on
Option which you kept.
SEO, okay,
Yes.
or when someone click on SMO also, I would like to show this same one. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And finally, after asking the contact number, okay, it's done. I just want to close the chat. So at that time, what I'll do is I will send a chat message like this. That means thank you for reaching out.
All right.
We'll contact you shortly. We'll get back to you shortly. Okay. Is this fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Right. So I need to connect these two or not again?
You need to connect, ma'am.
Yeah. So let me connect this. So for success. So now for which action I have done this entire thing? For digital marketing. Okay. When someone click on this digital marketing, I would like to show them SEO, SMO, and then asking a question and finally a success message. The next, what if when someone click on other option called data science, do I need to provide the options for that as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, chalo, we'll do that as well. So this time I would like to ask them data science, right? So
Yes.
I would like to go with something. Which training mode you need? So online and offline. So I just want to ask them whether they are comfortable going with the online or offline. Okay. So do I need to connect here?
Yes, ma'am.
Connect it for data science. After that, once they choose online or offline, so I would like to ask a question this time.
Yes, ma'am.
That is, please provide your mail address. Provide your email address. So what is the validation I have to choose now? Email.
Email.
So other than the mail, if they enter something, am I going to accept?
No.
No, right? Yeah. And then fine. So again, connected. Okay, so for both actions right here, if they click online, also I have to show them same message. And if they click on offline also, I would like to show them same message,
Same.
right?
Yes.
And what is the next thing? I would like to show them the,
Chat.
yeah, so we'll go with the normal, send message like thank you for reaching out. So here we have anyhow this, right? So now what I'll do is I'll just use this. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I'll just use, right? Ask a question. So I'm just connecting here. This is also send chat, send message, right?
Yes.
So fine. Did you understand now? This is overall the chat I have created. So let us just save it. If you want, you can also test it out. Okay. So let's just save it now. This is the message for visitors. So welcome new visitor. Welcome and save it. So shall we go and see how it is appearing in the website? So from your end also, you try to open the website and see how this chatbot appears. So can you see?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am. Yes.
Hi
ma'am.
there, if you need any help. Okay, let me just click this. What are you looking for? Okay, what happens if I click digital marketing? What specialization do you need? SEO. All right, please provide your contact number. We'll contact you shortly. Okay. See now, thanks for reaching. We'll get back to you shortly. So now this is when I click digital marketing. So what if I click data science? Which
Data
training mode do you want? See,
Online.
online. So what if I click online? Please provide your mail address. All right. Thank you for reaching. We'll get back to you shortly.
Yes. Ma'am.
Fine. So how was it? Wasn't it easy?
Yes.
It's easy and it's fantastic, right? So no
Yes.
manual power
Yes.
required.
Multiple options.
Multiple options. If you just set up that, so even if 1,000 people visit your site also, this machine will do everything, right?
Yes.
So do you want to see how many entries we got?
Yes.
Yeah. So come back to your dashboard and click this visitors. Can you see?
Yes.
I got this. So I can also chat. As I said, it is not only automated, we can do manual versions also.
Yes.
So I can start chatting with that person. No, join conversation. Hello. See now, did I get hello message?
Yes.
I am facing issue. See now, did I receive that? I am facing issue.
Yes. Yes.
All right. May I know what is the issue? Right? See? Cool, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how we create a chatbot and live chat. So initially you can make a machine to work. Once after, like, you feel like, okay, a person needs to answer, then you go back to your panel and then you can answer the user's questions, right? Got it?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
now it is showing you which browser that person using and what is the IP address also it is showing us. Got it? And their mail address also. Clear? And in which page that person been to. It's a home page, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's very awesome plugin, guys. It is very, 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 fantastic plugin you can work on, and it is also very useful. So nowadays, no website is there without having a chatbot. It became so compulsory. Okay. I want you to try this plugin in your site as well. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. I
Yes,
will do
ma'am.
that.